All right, question number 40 just says, which equation could represent a graph with x-intercepts of 4, 0, and negative 7, 0? So those are my solutions. They're my x-intercepts. A graph with negative 7, 0 is going to end up here, and 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere around here. So this is going to be a parabola where my x-intercepts look just like this. If I do that, I'm going to go over here, and I could factor each of these ones and kind of guess and check. I could also go into my y equals in the calculator, and I could plug that in for y equals and guess and check. But if I know that 4 is x's value when y is 0, I know this. I know my x value is 4 when y is 0. So I could rewrite it something like this. My x equals 4 when y is 0. And if I get x equals 4 and I subtract 4 from both sides, I get x minus 4 equals 0. And x minus 4 equals 0 is something that we take from the factors. So one of the factors is x minus 4. See how I work backwards there? Same thing here. The other x value, the other solution is x equals negative 7. So if I add 7 to both sides, I get x plus 7 equals 0. And x plus 7 is one of the factors that I probably had to bring out of the problem to set it equal to 0. So my second factor is x plus 7. It's kind of working backwards since both of those equaled 0. So now I go and I FOIL to get the trinomial. I get x squared plus 7x minus 4x minus 28 is equal to 0 or equal to y. And I combine like terms, x squared plus 3x minus 28 is equal to 0, so, or y is equal to that x squared plus 3x minus 28. So A is the right answer, and I kind of work backwards to do that. Okay, another way is that you can try to factor all of those and see which factors result in those solutions. I think that would be kind of time consuming. Another way that I think would be equally time consuming is coming in here and just starting to type in all of the possible equations and then checking in the table to see which ones in the table have those 2 points. That's what I'm going to do to check my answer. So I'm going to type in x squared plus 3x minus 28. And it's not going to be time consuming to check this way, but to have to type in all 4 to try and figure out which one is the right answer, that's when it gets time consuming. So I'm going to go to my table and I'm going to look for the points 4, 0, which is right here, and it works, and negative 7, 0, which is right here, and that works. So this is going to be the only equation that has those 2 solutions. All right.